Lori Vallow Daybell was back in a courtroom this morning as Judge Stephen Boyce heard arguments about having cameras in the courtroom in upcoming hearings involving Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell. KPVI News that works for you journalist Heather Ann Wagner was in the courtroom this morning and files this report.
Lori Vallow Daybell was back in court Thursday for a motion the defense filed. They want Judge Stephen Boyce to ban cameras in the courtroom. That's after an alleged incident during a hearing in August where the defense and prosecution say one of the media outlets placed microphones on the tables and set up multiple cameras. One was zoomed in on the defendant.
Why wouldn't the cameras be on the attorneys for arguing rather than zooming in on my client? What was the purpose of that? She'd been in custody now for over 2.5 years, 20 months of that in a jail, 10 months of that in a mental hospital. What's the point to mock her, to make fun of her, to humiliate her? Does it have any value to the public other than to prejudice potential jurors against her? No value at all.
Both sides argued that streaming and videotaping the upcoming hearings could taint a potential jury pool, a jury that's already 300 miles away in Boise. That move was made for the same reasons, a bigger selection of unbiased jurors.
This court has recognized the state also has a right to a fair trial. And what that means to the state is we want a trial that we only have to do once, where we limit appealable issues. That's important not only to prosecutors, but for the people of this state, specifically the people of Madison and Fremont County, for the living victims of this case, and to the state people who deserve that the most are Tyler Ryan, J.J. Vallow, and Tammy Daybell.
Judge Boyce then heard from the attorney representing 32 media outlets who opposed the ban. The judge confirmed the rules media must follow haven't been broken by any journalist or organization. But some things did concern him about privileged conversations potentially being picked up on microphones. One person in favor of cameras in the courtroom is J.J. Vallow's grandfather.
I think we as a public have the right to be involved in that court every day. And you, as the media, should be there every day. And I don't see how it's going to affect the jury. When you have a defendant who is out there playing to the public.
Reporting in Fremont County, Heather Ann Wagner, KPVI News that works for you.
Now, Judge Stephen Boyce did not make a decision about the ban today. He will issue a written ruling after reviewing the hearing in question and reviewing the current media guidelines and practices.